Hello everyone, welcome to Math VPN channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate these kind of functions. And here is integration sign x square dx. So let's start. First of all, put equal to sign here. Integration sign. You must study the rule, how to solve this question. Here is a power, then I introduce one rule, that is f of x raised power n, and here is dx. See here, if the derivative of this function is here, that's for f of x. This is the first derivative. If the derivative of derivative of this function is here, then we can plus 1 is here and n plus 1 is here after the integration of this function. Let's start understanding the rule x square, and without power x, derivative of x is equal to 1 and dx. We can write this in this way. Here the derivative of x, and means to say leave the power, ignore the power and take derivative of this function. This is x and x derivative is 1. Then what we can do, x raised to plus 1. I told you plus 1 in the power, and in the fraction the same part, 2 plus 1, and after integrating this, place plus c the constant. Now simplify x raised 3 over 3, and this is the c. So this is the integration of this function. Also, hope so you people got the idea. Please like this video and subscribe MathVBN.